Hello guys, Raja here and welcome back to another video. Today is a video tutorial about two-factor authentication, how to activate it. So I know tutorials sometimes are boring, but the idea is to give you a step-by-step so that at least you know how to do it by yourself. Okay, so come with me and let's watch it. Just a test email that I have. This is Google, a regular email in Google. So we want to put our password. Always we need a password. So and then next. And then we want to log in to our email. So okay, here I want to show you just, of course, each website have their own way to activate two-factor authentication, but I want to use as an example Google email, since I think most of the people use Gmail as their main email account. And like I said on the last video, for you to be secure, at least make your email, because a lot of accounts are connected to this email, so at least make this account more secure, activating the two-factor authentication. So we want to go to manage your account, your Google account. You click there. And then here, we want to go to security. In the video I said that most probably all the websites that you are, if they offer the two-factor authentication, you will find it under security. So you can see here, we have two-step verification. So here, get started. They ask for the password again. Let's type the password. You have to put your phone, text message, or phone call. And here, show more options. You can use a security key. That it's another subject that I want to be doing a video on, how it works with the security key. And Google Prompt. What's Google Prompt? If you have Google already set on your phone, you receive a message. For example, when you're logging in on your computer or any other place, you have a message asking you to confirm that that's you logging into your account. If you press yes, then it signs you in. So in our case here, we want to put the two-factor authentication based on the application, the Google Authenticator. That's the application that we want to use. Okay, so we put the number and then we press next. And then we'll receive a message with the code. So let's put our code here. And then you press next after the code. It will validate. Okay, it worked. So then you can press turn on. So now available, turn. Okay, after that you get to the screen saying available second step verification, and it's saying that they will send you a message, an SMS, to your phone number that you set up. But that's not what we want to achieve. We want to actually use the Authenticator app. That's easier than SMS and more secure, because I don't know if you guys know, but hackers can actually clone your SIM card. There is a way that hackers can use that to clone your SIM card. It's not something like very common, but if they want it, they can find a way. So with the Authenticator app, it's harder, because even if they clone your SIM card, they cannot get without the code showing an Authenticator app that's in your phone. So okay, I want to continue this on the phone. Okay, so now on your mobile phone, or if you're Android, you go to Play Store, and if it's your iPhone, you go to Apple Store. So let's go to Apple Store here. We want to go and search for Google Authenticator. And then download the application. Okay, after the application is downloaded, you click open. Then get started. And then here you have two options. One is scan QR code, and then the other one is enter a setup key. So let's go back to our setup, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. So here I have the vision of the screen of the phone, and also I have the computer. So here on the computer, we will continue clicking on setup. We will choose if it's an Android or iPhone. So in this case, it's an iPhone. And then next. And then to show us a code. And here you can see the screen for the phone. So I want to click on scan a QR code. And what I want to do is just point to this code here that's generated in the website. And then click next. And then see the code there. So we'll put 624118 and then verify. Done. You're done. Generated. So now, every time that I want to log in, it will be generating this code. So that's how it works. That's how it will be in the phone. So any website that you go, you just click plus here and then scan a QR code. Very easy, very straightforward, and you can do it to keep yourself more secure. Thanks for watching. This was the tutorial of the day, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Share, like, subscribe to the channel. It's very, very appreciated from you guys. Thank you very much.